Hey, what's up, everybody? Got a little treat today. Today, I've got this. Look at this. Yeah, look at that. Oh, doesn't that look good? Yes, yes, yes. So crispy, so juicy. Just perfect for that comfort food that you're looking for this time of year. And I'm gonna show you how to eat it. Get this, and you get this, and you squeeze the juice on it like this. Mm-mm. That is so good. Look at that. Mm-mm-mm. All that juicy goodness in there. Yes, sir. Mm. This is the chicken from the deli and Stater Brothers. It's really good. I mean, for $2 a breast like this, and it's as good it is as it is, I'd put this right up there with like Popeyes or KFC. Granted you're gonna pay more, but you know times the way times are right now with these high gas prices and inflation and everything. I saw this right here, and I just wanted to share it with you. It's a gem. So go get you some. Take one more bite. Mmm. Oh, that is so good. That is so good. Look at that. Mm mm mm. Mm mm mm. Mm. I said I was only gonna take one more bite. I'll go good with a nice ice cold beer too. But anyways, yeah, that was the chicken from the deli at Stater Brothers, and you should go get you some because it's good. I was gonna say it's decent, but it's even better than decent. It's actually really good. So there's that, and I hope you all have a good day. Be cool.